Hey all, Will Healy here. Next week I'm going to be in New York City at the 𝗙𝗵𝗂𝗃 Convention Center right in downtown Manhattan. And this is for the Advanced Manufacturing East show. This is a collection of a bunch of different things, MD&M East, EastPack, ATX East, D&M East, Plastech East, and the Quality Expo East. So a bunch of different shows coming together. And I've got a action-packed 2 days. I'll be there on Tuesday the 7th and Wednesday the 8th. On Tuesday the 7th, I'm going to be in a discussion with Jake Hall, the Manufacturing Millennial. We're going to be presenting Fireside Chat, how to attract the next workforce with automation and digital solutions. And that's going to be at 12:45 p.m. to 1:45 p.m. at the Advanced Manufacturing Theater, booth 2045. And then I'm going to make sure I hit the brewery tour that they have built into the show. They have 4 New York breweries built right into booths in the show, so I'll make sure I hit that. And then on Wednesday, I'll be presenting predictive maintenance PDM on a budget for existing equipment. I'll be giving a presentation talking about condition monitoring and predictive maintenance and all the things that go with that. And then that presentation will be in that same booth, the Advanced Manufacturing Theater, from 10:20 to 11:15. And then right after that, in that same place on Wednesday, December 8th, I'm going to be in a panel with 3 other great people. We're going to be talking about creative people, collaborative robots, and smart factories beyond Industry 4.0. And that's with Chris at Augmenteer and Wyatt, Jake Hall, the Manufacturing Millennial again, and myself. We will be presenting and talking about how the human-machine interface is working, how to incorporate robots, how to focus on people and the improvements of people, and how to use technology to improve the life of the worker in the factory. So should be a really great panel and a great discussion. I'm getting to moderate those really great people. So come on, let me know in the comments or shoot me a DM. Come and visit me at ATX East or the Advanced Manufacturing East and reach out and let me know you're going to be there, and let's connect while I'm there. And until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?